So Sanchit, tell us, you're called a mind reader, illusionist and a magician. All these are really big titles and labels that almost sound supernatural. What does it mean in your own words to be a mentalist?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ना patterns है. Everyone thinks about that we are unique, we are different, but that is not the scenario.
You can't randomly read somebody's mind.
Even if I can, और अगर आप मुझे वो संचित बताया मेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, तो मैं तो सब कुछ ही बता दूंगा यार. मतलब फिर तो भगवान हुआ, इंसान थोड़ा ना हुआ. But that is not the scene. सोशल मीडिया एक ऐसी चीज़ है ना जिसने आपको मुझे सबको एक illusion में डाला हुआ है.
Because what you're showing is the truth about ourselves. If we live in illusions and you show me an illusion, because I'm living in illusion, it's easy for me to believe it.
That is why it is so fascinating. It's not something that we're going to meet a magician or mentalist every day. Maybe I don't know, first time, second time, I don't know, but ये fascination है. ये आप रोज नहीं देखते हो.
Sanchit Batra is one of India's most sought-after entertainers, a magician, mentalist and slight illusionist who crafts live experiences that linger long after the curtain falls. With awards such as Funniest Comic Magician in Singapore 2018, corporate cred, television appearances and a global tour resume, emerges sleight of hand, misdirection and storytelling into a seamless spectacle. Beyond the stage, Sanchit's work explores how belief, attention and surprise shape not only entertainment but our perception of reality.
What does it mean in your own words to be a mentalist?
I'll be very honest with you. So all this illusionist, mentalist, magician, these are same. They are no different. So magic is just like a parent. Mentalism, illusion, they're like a kids of it. So nowadays, people feel more deep when you actually connect with them कि आप उनसे बात कर रहे हो, tell what is going inside their mind. Magic is something जैसे कि कुछ मैं आपको visual दिख रहा हूँ. If I just give you the card and I change the card, you see, oh, this is visual. But then again, you see, Sanchit, यार ये तो हाथ की सफाई है. I've seen this somewhere, right? Mentalism is something when you talk to someone, you get so much deep into it. That is why I always say कि it's not about the minds which I read, it's about the people I read. That is something which I always believe. I don't know, maybe आपका कैसा उसमें view रहता है, but it is more about getting a very deeper connection with someone, because when you make a bond, it gets very real. So that is why I chose this profession as a mentalist.
Exactly, it's fascinating to me because I feel there's obviously a great psychological angle involved in it.
Correct.
अगर आपने मुझे बोला this mug is white and now I'll show you something and let's say it turns black or a bird comes out of it. You see shows,
yes,
right?
Yes.
It's psychological play.
Yes.
And you always wonder how did that person do it? So obviously there's a lot of skill required.
Correct.
But I have been fascinated to speak to, meet and understand how it actually works from your side of the table.
Okay, maybe I'll show you an example of it.
Sure.
I think that would be better, yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's try something with the cards. First of all, this is just all the magicians will do that. Check all the cards are normal. Give them a shuffle, a pretty shuffle. Check all them are normal. कोई किसी कॉपी तो नहीं है, कोई इसमें कोई मैग्नेट तो नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. मतलब वैसे तो नहीं होता है. I'm just a normal pattern. These are all normal, right? So what I want to give it a shuffle. Give it a shuffle. Perfect. Can I have it? So now, just like a normal thing, we're gonna ask you to pick a card. Since I show you one more time, all the cards are pretty much normal. You go take one card. Just go take one card. Take it. Be quick, yeah. You can look at it. You can show it to the camera if you want. Make sure I'm not looking.
Okay.
Perfect. And just tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Stop. Can you put this card over here? Perfect. So for last time, for the camera as well. Perfect. I'll just go give it a cards a quick shuffle. We're going to shuffle जैसे हम लोग casinos में करते हैं. Perfect. So अब मुझे I have to find your card in a fanciest way possible. ठीक है? Let us imagine the moment I snap, your card will turn into upside down and it will land it under right side of your pocket. Check your right pocket. Is it there?
No.
No, of course it would have been amazing, right? अगर ऐसा होता तो I would have get shocked. Just the thing, right? So if I pick let us assume this card. I know this is the Queen of Hearts is not the card, right? But eventually, since I mentioned that magic is more of a visual, if I take Queen of Hearts and I shake it, it will change into a 3 of diamonds.
How did you know that?
That is what I'm trying to figure out.
Amazing.
So this is you see, this is where the magic comes into play, that you can actually see कि आपके सामने वो कार्ड चेंज हो रहा है. You can see visually Queen of Hearts is changing into 3 of diamond. That is side of a magic.
So that was fascinating. I don't know at any age when we can stop being fascinated by simple tricks. I pulled out the 3 of diamonds didn't show it to you. I don't know what you did and how that queen shifted. Obviously, it's a psychological play, right? Can you tell us, you've been working in this field for so long, what have you understood about the psychology of the mind of a human being?
प्रैक्टिकली मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ना पैटर्न्स है. हम लोग कितने everyone thinks about it that we are unique, we are different, but that is not the scenario. Everyone is same. They have patterns. If I am talking to you, if you talk to a guy and he is nervous, he will start doing this. Notice that?
Yeah.
है ना? If there's a woman, he will keep on अपने बाल आप कभी ऐसे करेंगे. या फिर if you're sitting and you just start tapping your feet, it's a part of that you're giving a bit of a giveaway. जैसे कि अगर मेरे को if I want to read your mind or if I want to understand you, I will start observing you small micro expressions, micro things कि आप actual में क्या क्या कर रहे हो, and then I will try to read you and do something. So it is never about reading minds. So मैं जैसे कभी ये perform करता हूँ, कुछ करता हूँ, and people say, अरे आपने मेरी eyeballs में देखा होगा ना, वो ऐसे ऐसे blink हुई होगी. So मेरे को उनको देख के लगता है कि यार मतलब ठीक है, whatever you're saying is right. मैं मतलब I always say that after getting married, I always say that whatever you say you're right. मतलब whatever जो है वही सच है. मतलब practically अगर सच बताऊँ तो, but that is not the truth. It's about the moment I meet you, I start observing the small things from you. I start asking you a different kind of question which you think is not relatable. वो ना relate करेंगे, ना उनका कोई मतलब है, ना कुछ है, but they are important. So अगर मैं जो आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, आपकी human mind start reacting on that. कि अच्छा इसने पूछा तो क्यों पूछा है? या फिर जैसे if I मैंने आपसे पूछा था think what's your favorite color, you told me pink, right? आपने बताया मुझे. So this is for you, it just you're sharing your color.
Correct.
For me it is a very big information. This is how, because अगर if in case I meet someone very like a very ekdam who I never met in life, just I think it's you, yeah, I never met, and I just keep talking about Sanchit, come on, read my mind. It becomes very difficult for me to do that.
Yeah, you can't randomly read somebody's mind.
मतलब even if I can, और अगर आप मुझे वो संचित बताया मेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, तो मैं तो सब कुछ ही बता दूंगा यार. मतलब फिर तो मैं भगवान हुआ, इंसान थोड़ा ना हुआ. But that is not the same. I will give you a situation that Ashna, this is what you have to do. Once you do it, then I will extract the thought. So सब कुछ सब same है.
So it's about understanding through patterns and
Correct.
emotional behavior.
Correct.
That you understand what a person is going to react or say
Yes.
and choose.
Yes.
Right?
So सबके आंसर्स डिफरेंट होते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि सबके आंसर सेम होते हैं, डिफरेंट होते हैं. बट इवेंचुअली जैसे मैं अब आई थिंक इट्स बीन 12 years नाउ आई एम टू दिस परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स में. अब मेरे को 12 साल हो गए हैं मुझे. अब प्रोफेशनली मेरे को 6-7 साल हुए हैं. सो every time people ask me, Sanchit, when is the time when you get practice? When this is the time for me to practice. When I start talking to you, when I start meeting people. So it's like a very normal understanding of it that I'm creating an illusion of something. कि मैं आपका दिमाग पढ़ रहा हूँ, but I'm not actually reading your mind. I'm reading you.
So what you did was a magic trick.
Correct.
Right? And I think a mentalist activity would be slightly different.
Or different.
Can you explain that and can you show that if possible?
Okay. Maybe I'm gonna show you first, then I'll explain you. ठीक है? But I have something. Yeah. So जैसे कि हम लोग ये, this is a die. Can you see a die?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I want you to do, I want to just go shuffle it. आप ले लो. Look at the top number. Hide it.
After I do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you show the camera, you
I'll
can.
show it to the camera, then I'll hide
Don't show it to me. Make sure I'm not looking.
it. Okay. This
Are
is
you
my
done?
dice number. Got it.
Perfect. Hide it. Just look over it. Just keep thinking about the number. Keep thinking about number. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'll tell you. If I tell you how I do it, वो हम बात करेंगे. But I know this is 2. Yes or no?
Yes, it is 2.
Wow. Try one more time. Let's try one more time. एक लगता है guess होगा, कोई बात नहीं.
This is so exciting.
No worry. You want to do
Okay, got it.
Got it? Perfect. Look over here. This time don't think about this number. Think about entirely different number.
Okay.
Now this is where I'm giving you an instruction, a straight instruction. Don't think about this number. Eventually, if I say this, you're still thinking about this number in subconscious mind, right? Yeah.
Correct.
And I think it's 3.
Yeah, it is.
Right? You see?
How?
So this is where basically हमारी body, I'm giving you instruction. And when you were not thinking about 3, I think you're thinking about 4.
I was thinking about 4.
Yes, you
Yeah.
see that. So now it's all patterns. मैं आपको वही समझाने की कोशिश करूँ. It's all pattern. How does human minds think? अब now, most of people think that this might be a cube, a gimmicky cube. You know what? I want you to choose a number. Let us suppose Ashna chooses 6 number. Ashna will put a die like this and then hide it. Let's try this.
I have to choose 6 or any number?
Any number. Make sure that you're not going like this. Just choose any number.
Done. I'll show the camera.
You can show it to the camera. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look
Done.
over here.
Say that again.
Look over here.
Okay.
Just keep thinking about number. Getting a number inside your mind. Wow. Now this is where it gets a bit difficult. I'll try this. It will take a bit time. I'm confused between two numbers now. I think it's 5.
It is.
Wow. You see that?
Is it random guesses or there's maths involved?
See, if there will be a random guesses, I won't be able to get it 3 out of 3.
That's also true. You got all 3 right.
Correct. So this is where it is that I am putting a thought, a influence. Ki I told you, ki Ashna, for example, Ashna chooses 6. Now I have ruled out the option 6 for you.
Yeah, because I would not have picked 6.
ठीक है?
Correct.
First time क्या आया? 1.
2.
It was 2, sorry. Then कौन सा आया?
3.
3 आया, ठीक है?
2, 3, 6 are ruled out.
Ruled out.
Leaves
and
1,
then
4 and
4 you
5.
were thinking about it. And then left with 1 and 5. 1, I thought maybe you're not the person who'll pick 1, so 5 was a quite obvious choice.
Oh, wow. And all that within like 10 seconds.
Correct.
All that calculation.
Thank you so much.
So how long have you trained yourself to function at such a fast pace? Because you would need so much presence of mind.
If you choose profession as a magician and mentalist, na, आप जहाँ भी जाओगे ना, you will consider smartest person in the room. I'm not bragging myself, I'm just saying कि यार संचित आया चलो कुछ दिखाओ यार show me a card trick और संचित show me a trick. So that's a practice for us. So beginning में ऐसा नहीं होता था कि मतलब people से और बहुत ज़्यादा बेइज्जती होती थी कि नहीं अच्छा जाता था वो because if you want to land it, see, according to you, what is magic? Pick a card, find the card. For me, pick a card, do something with the card, land a card somewhere, find the card. For me, this is a 4 step. For you, it's a 2 step. So वो 4 step को perfectly करना is a task.
Smooth.
Smooth. तो उसके लिए ना आशना we need a practice. और वो practice तभी होगी जब हम लोग real लोगों के साथ करेंगे. If I just keep sitting in my room and just practicing it with no one else, it will never. मैं शायद से even if I अगर मैं आज जाता हूँ आपको एक trick सिखा के जाता हूँ, you will understand. अरे संचित तो ऐसे work करती थी यार क्या बात है. But if I ask you Ashna, these are the 5 people you have to perform. You might not be able to do that. Because the moment you start holding the cards and start performing, there is an anxiety will going to hit. Fear of judgment will start hitting you. A lot of things which is going to hit you. और उसमें वो जो बीच के steps हैं ना वो आप भूल जाओगे वो नहीं land up करोगे.
Concentration will go on other things. Your mind will start working. Will I get it right? Will I not? What if I'm not able to read the other person?
Correct.
How fascinating. So tell me, every illusion depends on perception.
Correct.
Correct? जैसे मेरी perception होगी वैसे ही आप illusion भी आप मेरे सामने कर सकते हैं. Because of that you're able to read or perform that kind of magic. Now in real life, how often do you think we live inside illusions of our own making?
Oh wow, what a classic. I'll tell you a classic example. You know, social media. Social media एक ऐसी चीज़ है ना जिसने आपको मुझे सबको एक illusion में डाला हुआ है. I tell you how. Once you open social media, you see a person going to a like a traveling wonderful जगह पे वो लोग घूम रहे हैं and then they have a good relationship. Might be they are lonely. क्या पता वो lonely हो. And then you in a very good happy life, you are seeing it as that कि यार कितनी बढ़िया life है इन लोग, कितना बढ़िया है, कैसे सब कुछ है. And now you're thinking that I am not a good person. Maybe मैंने इतना नहीं कर पाया, इतना सब कुछ नहीं कर पाया कि मैं वैसी life कर पाऊँ. So according to us, हम लोग सब लोग एक illusion में ही जी रहे हैं. आप भी, मैं भी, जितने भी लोग हैं. Because हम लोग our mind is actually so powerful. I call this the imaginary box. हम लोग की सबकी एक अपनी अपनी वर्जन एक स्टोरी है. अगर मैं आपसे भी बात कर रहा हूँ, आप कल को जाओगे यार मैं संचित को पॉडकास्ट किया, इट वाज मे बी इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू हाउ गुड एंड बैड. दैट पर्सन विल टेल अरे आशना ने संचित को पॉडकास्ट किया. सो नाउ 3 people have 3 different वर्जन ऑफ स्टोरी. एक्चुअल
different perceptions.
मतलब इट्स जो ट्रूथ है ना वो गायब हो गया उसमें से. It has been wiped off completely.
Correct.
जो perception of truth है वो खत्म हो चुका है. Now everybody has a different version of the story. So हम लोग हर जगह पे illusion में ही जी रहे हैं.
Wow, that's very deep if you think about it.
Correct. हम लोग because आप अगर मैं आपसे अगर बात करूँ कुछ आप मेरे से कुछ बात करो अच्छा हम लोग अगर normal conversation करें so you tell me something it might be true or it might not be true or maybe you are telling me that is maybe 30% of story but the 70% is entirely different story. मैं भी बनी you are married I am married we can understand this thing, right? So if you talk to your husband about something, he will tell you something which is only you should know. And only उतना ही part आपको जानना है. If I talk to my wife, she will tell me कि उतना ही जानना है. Actual story क्या है वो नहीं पता किसी को. वो सिर्फ उन्हीं को पता है जिन्होंने आपको story बताई है. So it's all illusion which we are living.
Hence, I think makes your job easier.
Of course.
Because what you're showing is the truth about ourselves. If we live in illusions and you show me an illusion, because I'm living in illusion, it's easy for me to believe it.
That is why it is so fascinating. Because it's not something that you're going to meet a magician or mentalist every day. Maybe, I don't know, this is my first time, second time, I don't know. But this is something, ये fascination है. ये आप रोज नहीं देखते हो. मतलब even I have performed for thousands of people and I have never met someone who come के संचित यार मैंने किसी का show देखा था. Never met someone. मतलब maybe अब शायद से थोड़ा सा it is going like this, but past maybe a year or 2 years back there was no one. There was every time I was the first. उनका सबसे पहले मैं ही first हूँ.
So now that you have seen how people react to your illusions or magic tricks and things like that, do you ever sit and wonder that do you live in an illusion and what is the real truth of life?
Wow. Actually, to be honest ना मैं आपको बताता हूँ. I feel blessed and happy that I'm a magician and I feel bad as well. I'll tell you why I feel bad as well. जैसे आपने एक आर्ट ट्रिक देखी, आपको मजा आया, you liked it, that it is so good. मैं वो कभी फन नहीं अचीव कर पाया. You getting it?
Correct. You know the math behind it. You know the.
I know the
behind
math. I cannot. मैं वो वैसा ना reaction that oh wow that's मैं वो नहीं कर पाया. So I miss that. So when you get into something, see, I am into such kind of profession where my job is to make people happy, to keep them entertained if they are with me. मेरे बाद I don't care, but right now if they are with me, they should be happy, they should feel entertained. But for me that is not the case. For me it's like क्या समझाऊँ मैं आपको कि जैसे कि मैं अगर आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ और आपको entertain कर रहा हूँ, so my focus is only on you, that I have to entertain you 100%. जितना मतलब मैं जितना हो सकता है मैं उतना I will try to do as much as possible. But in my case that is not true. मेरे को शायद से वही happiness और वही जैसे कि अगर आप किसी मेशन से बोलोगे ना कि I'm telling you a very beginning days, हम लोग क्या करते थे Connaught Place, since you are from Delhi also, Connaught Place में जाते थे, कार्ड्स उठाए and just start showing our tricks to anyone. First time people say, अरे आप record तो नहीं कर रहे, or is it some prank or something? That is how we practice.
Right.
That is how we practice. So for that, I don't know whether I'm able to get to the question of your answer, because what truth of life now, I think for me it is always, I believe, a happiness. That is the truth. कि आपको अगर आप खुश हो तो आप सामने को भी खुश रख पाओगे.
That is the ultimate truth of life, happiness. Tell me, as a mentalist, you study patterns, like you said, of thought and behavior. What's one pattern that you've almost noticed in everyone that you've ever tricked or done an illusion for?
So whenever I do something या कुछ perform करूँ या किसी से बात करूँ, you always notice something this. This is one pattern of getting me instruction that if I am trying to guess something about you, you might do this.
Swallowing.
Swallow it. So I know that yes, I am going on a right track of it.
Oh, right.
Because then, see, अगर मैं अभी मतलब if I कुछ बहुत relatable और कुछ बहुत extreme और बहुत deep secret आपका reveal करूँ, what do you want? कि I'm just saying, what do you want कि यार इसको ना पता चले, maybe इसको नहीं पता चल सकता, but when I'm doing, okay, was it like that? Did you have a fight with your mother? और कुछ ऐसा हुआ या फिर that is called as in our language cold reading. So कुछ ऐसा हुआ या कुछ ऐसा हुआ and then you think, okay, I'm right. You getting it? It just
Yeah, it's almost a sign of nervousness that you're able to read.
Correct. So that is, it is something like this only. मतलब यही है कि ये या तो ये या फिर लोग अपने बाल ठीक करेंगे, जैसे I was discussing about.
That is also a sign of nervousness. And you kind of think to yourself, right, now I'll be very careful the next trick you do. I will try to avoid to swallow. I will not swallow and I will not touch my hair. And let's see if you can read. So tell me, your art is about influence, right? You're influencing a person's mind and behavior into thinking what you want us to think. So
Correct.
if you want me to think that you didn't touch the card and the card got swapped, you were
Yeah.
influencing me, right?
Correct.
Where do you personally draw the ethical line between influence and manipulation?
Till the time I keep things as an entertaining factor, I will never get into that manipulation stage. I will tell you, मैं आपको एक छोटी story सुनाता हूँ. So what happened? I was performing on the stage. So there was a lady. सो वो आई थिंक शी वाज अ लेडी, वो CEO के कुछ नियर वन थी, तो उन्होंने उनको बोला कि मैं स्टेज में खड़े होकर CEO ने बोला, बिकॉज नाउ ही इज द ओनर, बोलेंगे कि भाई कैन यू रीड हर माइंड, सो भाई कम. So I asked her to come and I asked her, think, what do you want me to do? Can you guess the name of my mother? Of course, let's do it. So I just उनसे बात करते करते then I start writing the name. I think I still remember the name of her mother was Kiran. So once I said Kiran, she started crying. तो मेरे को अब me, you as a normal, what will think that she might be dying. कभी रो रही
She might be dying or might not be anymore.
And yeah, correct. मतलब this is something where I don't know how Ashna क्या हुआ मेरे से. I just said, did you fight with her? Or had you fight? You said good fight कि आपको एक लड़ाई हुई है? And she said, वो रोते क्या sob एकदम she was sobbing and said yes. I said okay. मैं कहा that's a very normal thing. आप मतलब आपके दिन मम्मी से लड़ाई होती रहती है. That's a very normal thing. I think you should not be. She was not saying something. So मैंने कहा do you mind if I ask Kiran to come over here? Should we call them, do something? No. So मैं कहा what is it? Can you tell me what is it? This is something. I am not blessed with any power. I have nothing. I just said, I think that you had a fight with her. And after some days, or maybe 2 or 3 days, she is no more now. And she said, yes. Now, the situation gets so extreme that मुझे लगा कि शायद से I should have draw a line much before. कि मैंने इतना जो डीप रीड कर दिया है, बिकॉज अब वो शो चल रहा है, शो के में वो लेडी रो रही है स्टेज पे एंड शी इज़ वेरी नियर टू दैट CEO गाय. सो मेरे लिए वो कितना प्रॉब्लम हो गया उस हैंडल करना उस सिचुएशन को. बट आई डोंट नो हाउ आशना, पता नहीं मेरे दिमाग में क्या, आई जस्ट सेड इट कि डिड फाइट विद हर, ओके आई थिंक शी इज़ नो मोर एंड आई थिंक आप में लड़ाई हुई थी एंड नाउ यू टेकिंग. अब उनकी प्रॉब्लम क्या थी, शी थॉट कि उनके लास्ट टाइम में मेरे उनसे लड़ाई हुई और अब वो नहीं है.
And that is a human reading. Even I could have probably read that about a human being.
Correct.
कि किसी ने अपनी mom का नाम लिया and they're very upset. They probably weren't able to clear the baggage before the person moved on.
Correct.
Yeah.
So, most of people will think that I might have manipulated her with the situation कि वो मर गई and उससे पहले आपकी लड़ाई हुई थी. तो these two are actually linked, but nobody could have known.
And also they might think that you manipulated her to ask that question of mother only. She could have asked anything.
Correct.
Favorite color, best.
So मेरे को वहाँ पे लगा कि यार मतलब this is something maybe आज ये हो गया, I think ये नहीं होना चाहिए. So till the time मेरे whatever I perform, however I do, I keep everything in a sense of a comedy. So मतलब जो भी अगर चल रहा है, मैजिक भी चल रहा है, कुछ भी चल रहा है, I keep it as a comedy because once you from like a beginning of a show to end of a show, everybody think कि ठीक है ये तो comedy mentalism है, comedy है. I think I will never get on that manipulative stage. मैं तब तक वो influencing stage में मिलाऊंगा. For me, magic, mentalism, illusion, whatever you say, whatever for you it's 3 different. For me it is 1. These are not important. The only important is entertainment.
The person should leave happy.
Correct. अब वो आप उसको jokes ना के कर दो, आप उसको मैजिक दिखा कर दो, आप कुछ भी कर दो, बट यू हैव टू कीप इट एंटरटेनिंग. बिकॉज मेरे को ये समझ आया जब शो में लोग वो बार खोल देते ना, तब सलमान खान भी तब भी लोग कुछ नहीं देखते हैं. सो इट इज़ यू हैव टू मेक देम हैप्पी. अगर वो हंसते रहेंगे और साथ में थिंक अबाउट योर सेल्फ, यू आर लाफिंग एट द सेम टाइम, यू हैव अ शॉकिंग सिचुएशन. हाउ ग्रेटफुल इज दिस.
Yeah. Can you do a mental trick on me?
Of course. I just did that die one. You want to try
No,
something?
a mentalist one, like how you guessed her mother's name. Try to guess something of mine.
Okay. Chika, let's try this. Okay. What do you want me to guess for you? Maybe it's something which is very first to you. Think of. Do you have a best friend? Like a very first best friend? Can you think of it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
I think I was 5-6 years old.
Are you still in talking terms with her?
No.
No.
I lost touch.
So now this shows that how personal is this, right? मुझे नहीं पता हो सकता था. मतलब it is not something that you have come and tell me in my ear.
हाँ,
right?
ये बात नहीं हुई. Right.
Perfect. Let's try this. I want to focus on the first initial, what it starts with. Let's just
First initial.
First initial. Let's say Ashna starts with A, Sanchit starts with S. So whatever the name is, just think about what it starts with, right? And just look over here, right?
Okay.
Okay. Look over here. Just look over here now. हाथ की तरफ देखना है. I will go alphabets like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So now, अब मैंने इसे आपको बताया कि these are the expressions. Now you are very careful.
Yeah.
अब इन सिचुएशन में क्या होगा?
I don't know.
It,
It'll
it
become harder
becomes
for you.
it becomes harder for me. But what if I tell you now it becomes easier for me? अब मेरे लिए ज़्यादा आसान है because अब extra cautious हो. क्योंकि now you think that these are only your two patterns, but no. Somehow at the letter N you're moved. Something moved.
What?
Does it start with N by any chance?
Yes.
You see?
I don't think I moved at all. Okay, I'm going to sit
Exactly.
very still now.
No, see. Think about what it ends with.
Okay.
Okay, look over here. Okay, think about any आप बीच में से कोई भी think about any middle initial. Any middle initial.
Okay.
Okay. Look over here. Now imagine there's a whiteboard in front of you. आपके सामने एक whiteboard है, and with the marker you're writing the name of that person. And you're telling me this is a 5-6 year old मतलब 5-6 साल जब आप 5-6 साल की थी तब आपका ये best friend थे और
Correct.
कितने साल तक मतलब ये because of course school तक तो हो गई होगे.
Huh, I was in touch for 10-15 years. But now it's been 20 years. I haven't spoken to her. I don't even know where she is.
Wow. And I'm guessing मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है it's a very थोड़ा अलग type का नाम है yes or no or very common name.
Common name. I don't know. I think it's a common name.
Look over here. Imagine there's a whiteboard and you're writing a name letter by letter which starts with N, ends with something. Okay. It has some. Okay. Can you close your eyes for a second? I will show it to the camera, not to you. Just can you all see? Can we focus on the camera? Yes. Can you all see? मैं थोड़ा पास से दिखा दूँ? Okay. Yeah. आशना मेरे को लगता है शायद से you can open your eyes now. I have written. मेरे को लगता है कि मैं शायद से आसपास हूँ. I am not 100% because this is so pure. It becomes very difficult for me to पूरा नाम guess करना. पर मैं थोड़ा सा आसपास हूँ. I think still it's fine. It's not something which you see it every day, right?
Correct. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. I want to see that paper.
I'm nervous. I hope it works. For the very first time, what was the name? How do you like? कैसे बोलते हो? क्या बोलते हो उनको?
Namrata.
Oh wow, does it look like Namrata to you?
Yeah. How did you know that?
Exactly. That's the best part. Wow.
I don't even think she remembers me.
She
This
does,
is
she
literally when I
does.
was a kid.
She does. She does remember you. Trust me. You know what? I knew that this is going to happen. Abhishek.
How did you know this?
Can we have Namrata? I'm kidding. That will be too much.
I would have lost my nerves if I saw Namrata entering.
I'm just
Oh my
kidding. I'm
goodness.
just kidding.
Wow, that is fascinating.
So when I said that thinking about a middle initial, I was thinking about R at that time, or it was a T.
T.
T. Okay.
Yeah. That is crazy. I don't know how you've done it, but we'll get into how you've done it. I actually thought that Namrata तो नहीं आ जाएगी. मैं 20-25 साल से मेरे उस पर he तो went to the door. I was like, I haven't seen this Namrata in 25 years. I literally don't know where she is. I think she lives in US now. And I think I was 5-6 years old. वो nursery की best friend होते ना. She was. You said first best friend. But how did you know?
That's a very interesting question. We'll talk about it.
So I know that is your signature move, and I won't ask you to reveal how you've done it.
Thank you so much.
But I must say that I am absolutely fascinated. I don't know how you've done it, and if that's what a mentalist can do, I would like to learn the tricks. At least for my son, I'll do it on
Of
my
course,
son
yeah.
if no one else.
Of course.
So moving on, tell me, in therapy, people open up to a counselor,
Yes.
and in performances, people open up to a mentalist.
Mentalist.
What have you learnt about trust and vulnerability at that stage?
Practically, see, people, if I start reading someone on the stage and they're allowing me to do that, मतलब कि जैसे अगर if like I am reading you, you're allowing me, जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि think about this, think about that. अगर आप वैसे कर रहे हो, आप मुझे allow कर रहे हो to get it inside you and get the information. So my job is to take that information and just keep it very personal. Since so that is why जब भी कभी भी हम perform करते हैं कुछ करते हैं we take the consent first. बिकॉज अगर मैंने कुछ ऐसा किया एंड इट गेट्स रूइंड, जैसे कि अगर उनके लिए ख़राब हो गया या जितने लोग बैठ के ऑब्जर्व करें, बिकॉज एक बार ऐसा हुआ था, मैं परफॉर्म कर रहा था, मैंने आया किसी से पूछा कि कैन आई रिवील द नेम ऑफ योर फर्स्ट क्रश, ही सेड यस लेट्स डू इट, ओके आई सेड, सो ही वाज
Reveal the identity of the first crush.
फर्स्ट क्रश, लाइक उनका नाम मैंने कहा मैं रिवील करने की कोशिश करूँगा, एंड आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर कि उनकी वाइफ भी बैठी हुई है, इट वॉज लाइक अ फैमिली डे किसी कॉर्पोरेट के लिए था, मुझे नहीं पता था, आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर अबाउट इट। फिर मैं आपको बहुत बिगनिंग डेज की बात बता रहा हूँ, तो मैंने सिर्फ उनसे पूछा, उन्होंने कहा हाँ करते हैं ठीक है, बट आई थिंक उनको पक्का पता था कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा।
Correct. Somewhere I was also like, how will he ever guess this?
हाँ.
I don't even think my husband knows this girl because literally she's from like another era in my life.
करेक्ट सो
Yeah.
तो वो उनको नहीं पता था कि मैं ऐसा मतलब कर दूंगा, बट इवेंचुअली वो हो गया एंड द नेम वाज राइट, एंड बेसिकली अब बिकॉज मेंटली ना चीज़ ऐसी है आशना कि आप जब किसी को स्टेज पे बुलाओगे तो वो ना बहुत डीप और बहुत कनेक्टेड होते हैं, बट बाकी लोग ना उसको नहीं इंजॉय कर पाते क्योंकि वो उनके साथ नहीं होता ना, वो तो एक बंदे के साथ होता है। देन हाउ कम यू मेक 200, 500, 1000 पीपल इंजॉय? सो यू राइट द नेम, यू गो इनिशियल बाय इनिशियल, राइट? यू जैसे मैंने ट्राई किया, अब नाउ आई एम शोइंग टू दिस पीपल, अगर ये सही हो रहा है, उनके अंदर जो वो बॉडी में कहते हैं डोपामिन जो रिलीज होता है वो बढ़े जा रहा है, इट इज कीप ऑन रिलीजिंग। अब नाउ आई हैव आस्क्ड दैट पर्सन टू क्लोज योर आईज, आई विल शो इट द नेम टू एवरीवन, एंड उसको नहीं पता कि सही है, मैं कहा सबको दिखाऊंगा, आपको नहीं दिखाऊंगा, द मोमेंट यू से इट तब ऑडियंस मैच करेगी ना। अगर मैं मतलब मैं आपको पहले दिखाता हूँ, आपको ये तो है ही नहीं, तो मेरे लिए कितना प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा।
हाँ, आपने पहले दिखाया, then I had to say the name. You're right.
मतलब अगर मैं पहले दिखा दूँ कि मतलब मैंने कहा मैं नम्रता, अबे संचित ये तो है ही नहीं, मैं क्या, आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रूफ,
Correct.
मेरे पास तो नहीं है ना, और मैं तो वैसे भी आई एम ऑन अ स्टेज नाउ, पीपल आपको नहीं, यू हैव नो आइडिया कि कितने लोग हैकल करते हैं, पीपल आर सो करने पे आते हैं हैकल तो दे गो मैड सीरियसली। हाँ तो
And also it's like almost trying to prove a point कि देखा उसको नहीं पता
था।
हाँ,
करेक्ट मैं आपको बता रहा था कि तो मैंने उसने नेम रिवील किया और फिर मैंने उसके ऐसे हाथ में दिया, ड्राइंग बुक ऐसे हाथ पे दी, तो मैं कहा टेल हिम व्हाट वाज द नेम, ही सेड नो माय वाइफ इज हियर, सेड ओके, तो मैंने उसे बोला, मैं कहा कोई बात नहीं, लेट्स डू इट, आई विल नॉट शो इट टू द ऑडियंस दो आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन दैट। तो उसने कहा बोला कि आप किसे दिखाओगे, तो मैं कहा नहीं, तो उसने नाम बताया, मैं ऑलरेडी दिखा चुका था, एंड उनकी वाइफ बैठी हुई, आई थिंक शी गॉट एंग्री, नॉट उस टाइम नहीं हुआ, फिर मैं नीचे आया जब स्टेज में शो खत्म हुआ, तो ही केम कि यार आपने क्यों दिखाया ऑडियंस को, दैट वाज समथिंग कि वो वेरी पर्सनल। तो मैंने कहा फर्स्ट क्रश था यार वाइफ का, कह रहे हैं कि वो जो फर्स्ट क्रश था ना वो भी मेरी वाइफ हो, दे वर द बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स अभी तक।
Wow.
मैंने कहा यार ये
But that is somebody's internal trust issues and problems. How is that a magician's problem?
it's not about, see people, you always need someone to blame.
Yeah.
Now her wife, his wife is mad at her. अब वो उस पर गुस्सा है तो वो किसी को तो ब्लेम करेगा ना। अब उसने सीधा मेरे पे बोल दिया कि यार संचित ये, मैं कहा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, आई एम सॉरी, अगर मुझे नहीं पता, कह रहे मुझे नहीं लगा था आप कर दोगे कह रहे मुझे नहीं लगा था आप कर दोगे, तो मैं आपको पहले ही बोलता कि मत दिखाओ। इवन इफ यू वुड हैव टोल्ड मी कि संचित हम किसी को दिखाएंगे नहीं, मैं सिर्फ आपको दिखाऊंगा, यू विल जस्ट से येस और नो, ऑडियंस विल स्टिल रिएक्ट। सो इट कुड हैव बीन दैट सिचुएशन एज वेल, बट वही it's an all new different kind of a things, मतलब I don't know when, how, कैसे लोगों को बुरा लग जाता है, just can't help it.
You know, very fascinating जो आप मुझे बता रहे हो, मेरे को thought आया है इसमें से कि you, like you know, most people don't trust, right?
Correct.
तो आपके लिए challenge from get go है. Every person is distrusting, every person ने सोच लिया कि as if he will know,
हाँ.
right? अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ, let's say for example, guess my son's name, and I haven't told him, we haven't discussed that even. And let's say you get it right. I have already distrusted in my head कि नहीं पता लगेगा. How will he know? इतने नाम होते हैं दुनिया में. How will he know मेरे बेटे का नाम ही क्या है? Right? You are perpetually fighting distrust.
Correct.
And you are perpetually fighting disbelief. कि मेरे को इसको convince करना है कि I have this talent.
मैं आपको बताता हूँ, अभी 3 दिन पहले परफॉर्म कर रहा था, तो it was a for a very close family, और उसमें से एक बंदा from first minute to 90 minutes वो मुझे हैकल ही कराता है। मैं आखिरी में उसके, मैं गुरुजी, मैं दूध मेरे को लगता है आई हैव टू टेक 2 lives, और आई हैव टू गेट 2 lives टू मेक यू कन्विंस दैट आई एम अ रियल मैजिशियन और अ मेंटलिस्ट। ही सेड नो, आई एम जस्ट एंजॉयिंग, फॉर मी दिस इज एन एंजॉय, हैव अ ड्रिंक एंड हैव फन विद यू। आई एम लुक एट हिम लाइक वाओ। आप समझ रहे हो, मतलब इट इज़ लाइक कि आपको, आई एम नॉट प्लेइंग एनी कोई सिंपैथी कार्ड वाला सीन नहीं है। मेरे को तो बहुत मजा आता है व्हेन पीपल हैकल, बिकॉज व्हेन पीपल स्टार्ट हैकलिंग मी, आई विल मेक देम अ जोकर ऑफ माई शो। I'll make them a joker of my show. Because फिर उसके बाद सारे punches घूम के ना उनके ऊपर ही आएंगे. And now everybody will laugh. He will not laugh. और उसका moment एक आएगा जब वो बिल्कुल बोलना बंद हो जाएगा. So this is how you have to deal with the hecklers.
नहीं, my point was not that. My point is कि जब trust ही नहीं है, it means people doubt your talent, right?
हाँ, correct. हाँ.
If I don't have trust, I'm doubting your talent. Like, हाँ, बड़ा mentalist है, as if he'll be able to guess. Imagine every day your job is to convince people that you have a talent.
Yes, of course.
What is it like living with that?
Honestly, at the very beginning, yes. पहले थोड़ा अजीब लगता था कि ऐसे है कि मतलब
कोई ट्रस्ट नहीं करता.
कोई ट्रस्ट नहीं करता था ये सब. So most of the time when people like they don't believe कि कैसा चल रहा है, that so मेरे को I always think about it, and when I feel such kind of a challenge or something, I think they don't know anything. I think I am a master of my art. If I have to convince them, it will not make sense. Because eventually अगर मैं perform करूँ कुछ भी करूँ वो लोग खुद देखेंगे, they will going to make their judgment. अब मैं every day if I wake up and start convincing people कि I'm a magician, it will not make sense. It will never make sense.
तो आप इस बारे में सोचते ही नहीं है.
Correct. I will never, because see, there are two types of people. I think like you want to enjoy the magic. You love watching it. You give reaction. Other person, ठीक है, nice. Wow.
They kind of want to put you down. कि नहीं, what is the big deal?
It's not about putting you down.
No, but they want to show you like what is the big deal. They're not fascinated by anything.
हाँ, they are not fascinated. They just don't want to react on that. वो उनको react नहीं करना है. अंदर से बहुत खुश है, उनको बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
They don't want to give you the pleasure of
हाँ, वो उनको देना नहीं है कि भाई हाँ ये लो ऐसे लो. वो उनको नहीं देना है. उनको है कि भाई हम बढ़िया. So मैं उनको हमेशा बोलता हूँ ये तो आप रोज देखते होगे तभी आप react नहीं कर रहे हो. मतलब it's just a thing. So
it's good to know that in the end your focus is on your talent and your art. You're not really worried about कौन believe कर रहा है, कौन नहीं believe कर रहा.
हाँ.
And I think if you make that your goal, then I think half the fun of your talent will go. Because it's a tough job. If I had to wake up every day and know that nobody believes me, and then I have to show a trick for everyone to believe me, it's very hard for me mentally. So these must be very...
Take a point. If you take a point in that sense, मतलब जैसे कि this is what I said कि I don't think about it. Why should I think about it? If I ask you, Ashna, nobody believes that you can take a fabulous podcast. आप सबको जाके बोलोगे hi my name is Ashna, ये मेरी वीडियो देखो. You will not do it, ना? You will stop thinking about it. Why would I make people convinced? Eventually they will know. It's a normal thing.
Amazing. No, I'm sure it's a normal thing, but you know, I don't know what it's like to be on your side of the table. That you are.
वैसे you can say that if someone is in a very beginning stage, yes, then it's difficult. But if you have gone towards, हाँ, तो वो फिर नहीं फर्क पड़ता है. वो लगता है ठीक है यार कोई बात नहीं.
They will understand eventually.
One day.
So tell me, you've performed for huge audiences on big platforms. Have you ever had a private reading or an illusion that was so raw and personal that you felt you crossed into something deeper more than entertainment?
Yes, basically I was performing, कहीं perform कर रहा था, तो stage पे मैंने उनका अपना act सब खत्म किया. वो मेरे पास बाद में आई, पहले नहीं आई. उन्होंने बोला कि this is a photo, he is my fiance. What do you think about him? And I look at her, मुझे लगा कि यार मतलब मैं किसी की फोटो देख के कैसे ही बता दूंगा. कहते नहीं आप बताओ कि कैसा है, मेरे से शादी करनी चाहिए, नहीं करनी चाहिए, या ऐसा होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, I will try, but make sure कि see what I'm saying, जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, these are all predictions. ये सच नहीं है. अगर सच होता तो फिर शायद से मैं एंटरटेनमेंट सेक्टर में होता, मैं फिर कहीं और होता. सो उनको मैंने बताया कि ठीक है, मे बी यू कैन गो लुक एट हिज फोरहेड, इज़ अ बिट, मुझे आगे इनका गुड सक्सेस है, स्पार्क है इनके अंदर, ये सब. तो मैंने 2-3 चीज़ें बताई, बट इवेंचुअली मैंने वो करना बंद कर दिया. बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि उससे ना बहुत गलत, जो मेरी इमेज है बहुत पोर्ट्रे गलत हो गई उनको. क्योंकि इवेंचुअली नाउ उसके बाद मतलब अगर उनके साथ किया वो जाके, बिकॉज पीपल टॉक अबाउट इट, they will talk, वो different लोगों से वो बात करेंगे.
By chance एक बात कोई सच हो गई, then 20,000 people will say you're an astrologer, you're a face reader.
तो मेरा फिर वो जो एंटरटेनमेंट सेगमेंट से हट के मैं दूसरे सेगमेंट में चलाऊंगा. तो फिर मैं वो एक बार ही था, एंड देन आई हैव स्टॉप डूइंग इट. मेरे कोई बोलता है, मेरे को इंस्टाग्राम पे इतने मैसेज आते हैं कि ऐसे है, आप इसको कॉल करो, इससे बात करो, या ये करो वो करो. तो आई डोंट एंटरटेन दैट. मुझे लगता है कि वो फिर वो प्रोफेशन से अलग ही चला गया इंसान.
So you basically enjoy the entertainment side.
Yeah, 100%.
Right?
हाँ.
And it's been what, 7 years you've been doing this in the
professionally. 12 years is like total experience.
Yeah. So 7 years of professionally entertaining people. What do you think is the most fascinating thing for people when they're watching you?
See, मैं वही आपको बताना जा रहा था कि if you see a normal mentalist or magician, they come on a stage, they perform, everybody has a character. So मेरा जो character है शुरू से स्कूल में भी थोड़ा funny side रहा है कि जैसे कि to be the like a clown of the
class clown.
क्लास क्लाउन हो गया या वहाँ की उस टाइप की चीज़ें हैं, तो मेरे को वो एंटरटेनमेंट, मैं ना जोकर है ना, जोकर दैट हम सर्कस में जोकर है, मैं उससे बहुत फैसिनेट हूँ. सो मैं अगर स्टेज पे जब भी परफॉर्म करता हूँ, आई मेक अ फन ऑफ माई सेल्फ फर्स्ट, देन आई गोइंग टू, अगर किसी को रोस्ट करना हो कुछ करना हो, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग विच ऑडियंस लव कि यार ये तो खुद की बेइज्जती कर रहा है, मतलब खुद की बेइज्जती कर रहा है, एंटरटेन भी करे, हाँ मतलब खुद की, मतलब ही इज जस्ट expressing himself more as compared to us. हम लोग को भी रोस्ट कर रहा है बट खुद भी कर रहा है. At the same time he is performing and entertaining. So adding comedy into that mentalism magic factor, I think very few people, I think in the world do it. So most of the time if you see a mentalist show कहीं पे भी ना, it's like a very serious, I sense that you have something. They keep it very personal because उनके
and they have that duk 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 music also. It's very dark and intense.
तो मेरा वैसा नहीं है, मेरा comedy है, it's like a full of, if you're standing, sitting, doing anything, आप हंस के बस आपको वो laugh or shock, laugh and shock. It's like that.
So most people think mentalists read minds, and after being here for the last however long, I feel like even you can read mind, because I did not give you any clues, you didn't take any hints, you didn't ask any relatable questions, you literally read my mind.
Yes.
Tell me, reading mind according to what you explained earlier was understanding behavior, energy and micro expressions.
Correct.
Right? Now, can ordinary people use some of these tricks to better their daily lives?
Of course, absolutely.
Can you tell us some of them?
So basically, आपको all you need to do is start observing people. If you start observing what they are doing, how they are doing, like
how they're responding.
If you're talking to them, you will start finding patterns. सबके, मैं बताया आपको, पैटर्न सबके सेम है. हम लोग चाहे जितना मर्जी अपने दिमाग में सोच लें कि हम अलग है, हम यूनिक है, या आई एम दिस, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. वी ऑल आर सेम. इट्स ऑल अबाउट कि आप इवेंचुअली एक, जैसे कि इफ अगर मैं आपसे पहली बार मिल रहा हूँ, आई विल स्टार्ट ऑब्जर्विंग यू, राइट? आई हैव टोल्ड यू, मे बी आप वैसा ना करो, दैट इज़ नॉट मे बी योर नेचर, बेसिक नेचर नहीं है, बट वंस यू स्टार्ट इन टू द ऑब्जर्विंग, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि उनसे जब आप उनसे क्वेश्चन पुटअप करोगे, वो आपको सेम आंसर देंगे. आप किसी 2 या 3 लोगों से पूछोगे, वो भी सेम ही आंसर देंगे. बिकॉज उस like an example, like if you ask, like I'll do a psychology one, maybe the people who watch the video as well. If I ask someone to think about a number, let's say between 1 and 10, there are high chances that person will think of 7 or he will think of 3.
3 or 7.
3 or 7.
That's just how psychologically by and large people will.
Yes, yes. You see? So, or if I ask you to maybe
think of a fruit.
Think of fruit, you'll think of apple.
Or orange.
Or orange. Apple या mango. अभी because now you're into this session, randomly आप किसी से पूछ के देख लेना. Think of a fruit. Maybe अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि imagine you're holding, अब मैं it's like a पूरा story की तरह अगर आपको करूँ, imagine you're holding, it's a round object. Can you imagine what it is? Okay, it's what is the color? Color is in red. Okay, क्या कोई fruit है? कुछ है? हाँ, क्या? What's an apple? तो it's like a common चीजें हैं, ये होगा. तो अगर if anybody wants to like understand in a educational way, so now it is to observe. That's it. यही है. सिर्फ आप observe करोगे, आप समझ जाओगे.
So tell me 5 micro expressions that we should observe and understand for our daily life. कि अगर I have gone to an interview, I have met a friend, I am going home back after work to my family. What are the 5 micro expressions that help us understand our environment better?
So number 1, when a person took his hair, like her hair like this, so it means that person is quite nervous. Second, if they gulp, like now they're scared कि अगर कोई information कुछ pass हो रही है. Third, if you're talking like this is also very common, either by the foot or by this.
Feet I've seen people not, yeah.
Anxiety hitting, like very कुछ को बहुत तेज anxiety hit हो रही है. Someone, जैसे कि अगर आप मान लो कोई भी बैठ के, he just started doing this. We've seen people doing this. Is उनको actual में itching हो नहीं रही है. It is in their mind.
Fidgeting.
That is also part of nervousness. उनको वो लग रहा है कि शायद से psychologically उनका mind उनको signal दे रहा है कि यहाँ पे itching, but हो नहीं रही है उनको. Fourth, now people will start mostly. This is a problem with me. I'm telling you. I have a problem to take my pants and put it up. That it is going down. It is not going down. I feel it. कि भाई you have to take up the pen. This is like कि maybe there is some personality problem with me or something like that.
Reassuring yourself.
Yeah. Validation. क्योंकि मतलब आप वो ऐसे. So this is the 5 important.
Is there a sign of anger when you go home and there's a subtle sign of anger which you have observed over so many years that one should see and be like a micro expression कि ये इंसान को गुस्सा आ रहा है.
Yes. The first one is when you actually talking to someone and you're like, have you seen someone doing this?
Yeah.
Have you seen? That's like that person is hiding his face because he either doing this and he's angry or she is angry. Most of them, men I have seen doing a lot. For the females, I think they don't make an eye contact. When they're angry, they don't make an eye contact. Maybe,
You're
I don't
right.
know. I'm right?
Yeah,
of course.
mostly.
Yeah.
Because you're so angry that you don't want to look at the person.
Correct. You're like, stay away from me. For the men, it is mostly like this. That they're going angry and then they go like this. Maybe they start it. अपनी beat से कुछ खेलना शुरू कर देंगे. So these are, I think, two when.
Did you ever do a course into behavioral science? Did you ever go into body language study?
No, I did not. ऐसा मैंने कोई course नहीं किया. I've just watched a bit of a YouTube. Yes, I read books. There's a very good book which I सबको बोलता हूँ, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. तो this is something which I say कि अगर आपको थोड़ा माइंड के बारे में बेसिक जानना है, दिस इज़ वेरी बेसिक, कि अगर आपको माइंड के बारे में बेसिक जानना है. सेकेंडली, आई माइट गो आउट ऑफ द टॉपिक, द बुक विच हेल्प मी टू ग्रो इन अ लाइफ पर्सनली, द सीक्रेट मैनिफेस्टेशन. मतलब आई बिलीव मेरा totally manifestation guy. So वो अगर if they want to go, but that has no relation to this though. But Dr. Joseph Murphy की है, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Awesome.
Amazing. Illusions show us that what we see isn't always real.
Correct.
Right? And do you think that lesson applies to how we approach mental health? Masks people wear, truths they tell, truths they hide. Do you think it applies to our life as well in that manner?
Yes, actually, because see, become like I'm a mentalist. So if I do something, मेरे को the only thing which I able to explain myself that I'm more calm now. I am very calm. I able to understand things. So keeping mental health as a mentalist, I'll say when you take it as a educational purpose, yes. When you keep it as entertainment purpose, I don't think so that will going to help a mental health. वो तो सिर्फ बस एक उस time के लिए वो temporary आपकी enjoyment है.
Correct.
But if you go for the educational purpose, so yes, because once you become a mentalist or once you get into this art form, you will understand that the patience and the practice is the key. Once you get into the patience, because अगर मुझे आपको if I want to read you, I have to be very patient. अगर मैं rush करूँगा, तो मे बी शायद से मैं वो मिस कर दूंगा ना, वो
the cues.
हाँ, वो cues मिस कर दूंगा, जिसे मैंने आपको बता भी दिया, कर भी दिया, आप तब भी क्यों दोगे? But I'll miss it. So I have to be very patient. So of course, मतलब मेरे लिए personally तो बहुत help करा. I was a very angry young man, very impatient, but now I'm getting better.
Have you ever done a trick or had an experience with somebody that you were surprised and shocked, like you didn't expect that you would be able to read? Can you tell us about one of those instances कि आपने कोई ऐसी trick की, आपने कोई ऐसी illusion create की जो आप खुद ही shock हो गए, you were able to do it?
या एक्चुअली यस. अभी जो मैंने आपके साथ किया, मुझे लगा कि ये काफ़ी शॉकिंग था. मतलब मेरे दिमाग में तो वो नम्रता, पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो, आई जस्ट गेट इट एन, देन आई गेट अ टी, बट इट वाज अ बिट, इट्स नॉट अ वेरी कॉमन से. नम्रता इज़ नॉट अ कॉमन है. पता नहीं, मैं दिल्ली में तो नहीं, मैं बहुत कम, श्वेता, सुरभि, ये सब नाम सुने, नम्रता नहीं है. बट राइट नाउ आई फेल्ट इट दैट इट वाज अ बिट इंटेंस, बिकॉज आपने बात की, आपने मेरे से समझी चीज़ें. नाउ एक्चुअली में मेरे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो गया था, नहीं तो इतना टाइम नहीं लगता है.
Also because people are so blind, right? आप question पूछते हो, वो cues आपसे
हाँ,
लेते हैं.
हाँ.
Because we're in such a small confined setting and such a serious
Correct.
setting.
हाँ, mainly मैं perform भी ऐसे नहीं, ऐसा घूमता हूँ, करता हूँ, थोड़ा वो आसान रहता है थोड़ा मेरे
Yeah,
लिए.
you are able to observe and probably break the ice, you know, without people realizing.
Correct.
But here you're in front of the camera and you actually have to perform and make sure you get it right.
So if
That pressure.
a real time performer is okay when you sit, but when the real time performer in front of the camera, थोड़ा सा वो, मतलब every time मैं शो से पहले जाता हूँ ना, मेरे को तब भी इतना सा लगता है यार, थोड़ा सा डर मेरे को आज भी लगता है. मतलब आई हैव डन, आई थिंक पता नहीं कितने शोज किए होंगे, मेरे को याद भी नहीं है, बट तब भी इतना सा डर मेरे को आज भी लगता है.
कि what if I get it wrong?
It's not about see, this is the beauty of magic. If I get it wrong, you will never know.
Oh, right. I will still not know.
Of course you will not know. How you will know? अगर मान लो if someone's एक कोई भी चीज़ ए से स्टार्ट होती है और वो डी पे ख़त्म होती है, तो मुझे पता है ना, आपको थोड़ा ना पता है. क्या पता वो ए पे स्टार्ट होके सी पे ख़त्म होनी हो, क्या पता वो सी पे जो ख़त्म होनी है वो उस पे होनी थी, वहाँ पे गलत हो गया, एंड आई हैव चेंज इट टू एंटायर डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन.
No, but like for example, नम्रता नाम नहीं होता.
हाँ.
For example, मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड का नाम श्वेता होता और आपने नम्रता लिख दिया होता, फिर क्या करते आप?
नहीं, तब तो वो गलत था. तब अगर तो मुझे क्यों मिल जाता ना, मुझे वो क्यों मिल जाता कि आई थिंक अब
That's
मैंने
what I'm
आपसे
saying. That's what I'm saying, वो श्योरिटी आपके अंदर है कि नो मैटर व्हाट मुझे पता
मैं जैसे मैंने किया स्टार्ट विद एन तो ठीक है, मुझे समझ में आई एम गोइंग ऑन अ राइट डायरेक्शन। अगर मैं सीधा नंबर लग जाता वो आपके लिए भी मजा नहीं आता। मेरे को भी तो वैलिडेशन चाहिए ना कि हाँ आई एम राइट और रॉन्ग। आप बोलते हैं नहीं संचित इट नॉट स्टार्ट विद। अब अगर मान लो मैंने आपको बोला कि आपने बोला कि हाँ यस इट स्टार्ट्स विद एन, तो मुझे लगा ठीक है एन से स्टार्ट होता है। लेट्स थिंक अबाउट समथिंग एट द एंड, थिंक अबाउट कोई अल्फाबेट सोचते हैं हम एंड में। सो नाउ आई गेट एन एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ ए, then I might, अगर मैं श्योर नहीं होता मैं कहता हूँ can you with the last alphabet can you think of a fruit, then I say okay thinking about apple, you getting it? So this is how I have to proceed. अगर आप बोलते हैं कि
If you don't get answers, you keep poking with different question to get the answer.
then you start giving me the answer.
हाँ मुझे तो पता ही नहीं होगा मेरे लिए तो you are just asking questions.
Correct. So
I
वो
don't know
match
how long it's gonna take.
of
Correct.
course. तो वो उसका जो आउटपुट है वो आपको पता ही नहीं है, वो आउटपुट सिर्फ मुझे पता है। अगर मैं उसका आउटपुट पूरा मैनिपुलेट कर दूं या फिल्टर कर दूं, कैसे भी कर लूं, वो आपको थोड़ा ना पता चलेगा।
Also true.
सो
Very
एवरी डे ये होता ही है, ये होता ही है। मतलब ऐसा चीजें
true.
होती
Very
हैं।
exciting job.
हाँ
have to say.
मतलब मैं वही कभी कभी मैं खुद से इंप्रेस होता हूँ कि यार ये नहीं सोच सकता था मैंने, कैसे कर लिया। मतलब इट जस्ट लाइक आई फील हैप्पी कि यार मतलब ये
Does
मैंने
it come
कैसे किया।
naturally to you now?
या इट इज नो। अब जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा था, अगर आप बोलते नहीं एन नहीं है तो मैं थोड़ा पॉज लेता, आप चाचा कहते हैं एस है और मैं कहता है बताओ मत मुझे यार, आई विल स्टार्ट बट आई नो द आंसर एस नो।
हाँ.
गेटिंग इट?
Yeah.
So this is where I am giving you something कि Ashna don't say, at the same time I'm getting information from you.
Understood. So it's mind tricks. It's all mind tricks. Tell me, what role does intuition play into this? Do you ever feel like you go with your gut feeling? कि नहीं मेरे gut में उसे लग रहा है ये A से होना चाहिए.
100%. 100. There is no logic. Only instinct, gut. That's it.
So it is all intuition at play. But you said there is all.
This is all method. This is all method. अब to finding the name, this is like कि मैं I am trying to do this. Maybe नम्रता ना होता, N A से नताशा भी तो हो सकता था।
हाँ correct.
नताशा भी तो हो सकता है ना, नम्रता ही क्यों होगा? I think there is also an M in my mind. I think it might form a नम्रता maybe. Understand कि ये it's
Intuitive.
हाँ।
You have to be very intuitive.
और since childhood I have this deja vu thing as well. मेरे साथ बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, पता नहीं आता, I think आपके साथ भी होता होगा। मेरे साथ बहुत deja vu होता है। I feel कि यार ये चीज़ हो चुकी है मेरे साथ।
I know I get this deja vu feeling sometimes, but I used to think it's a mind trick. It's your own mind playing tricks.
It's not.
It's not convince
It's
me.
not. It will not convince you. It convinced me 100%. That deja vu अगर हो रहा है तो either कि हम लोग maybe I have some life before और ये चीज़ हो चुकी है। मतलब मेरे साथ तो बहुत होता है ये कि मेरा डेजा वू फीलिंग, और तभी मुझे लगता है इंट्यूशन मेरी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा है। सो आई वाज वर्किंग एज अ 9 to 5 जॉब, मैंने भी करी बट आई लेफ्ट इट। मैं कहा मेरे को नहीं करनी यार ये नई, मतलब मैंने 5 साल करी जॉब पर मुझे लगा नहीं यार नहीं, आई थिंक आई कैन अर्न बेटर ऑल्सो। ये ज़्यादा एंटरटेनिंग और ज़्यादा फैसिनेटिंग है कि भाई मुझे यही करना है। सो आई लेफ्ट द जॉब एंड सो आई फॉलो माई इंस्टिंक्ट।
Now that we know you're a very, very good mentalist, illusionist, and a magician, how often do you use these skills in your family life, with your wife, with your kid?
No. I always say this, always. I can read all the minds in the world except my wife.
I think that's a universal rule, right? Nobody can
100%.
read their partner's mind.
Nobody.
No?
Nobody.
Is there trust at play ever? Does your wife ever think that what if he's playing a mind trick on you?
Yeah. आज भी होता है ऐसा, but I'm like no. तो नेम इज दिशा, नहीं यार ऐसा नहीं है। सो बेसिकली हम लोग बैठे होते हैं एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग एंड शी सेड कि आई जस्ट सेड समथिंग कि यार आई थिंक आई हर्ड समथिंग हैपेंड इन योर हाउस। कहती नहीं यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ। मैं कहा मुझे पता है। कह रही नहीं यार। मैं कहा तूने मेरे से कल ही शेयर किया है। कह रही नहीं संचित दैट्स नॉट ट्रू, सी यू स्टॉप डूइंग दिस ऑल दिस मेंटल ट्रिक्स, ये तू बाहर जाके किया कर, डोंट डू इट ओवर हियर। मैं कहा दिशा ऑनेस्टली ऐसा नहीं है। तो मैं वो एक दिन पहले बताया बट वो मानने को तैयार ही नहीं है। ऑफ कोर्स मैंने आई डेंट डू एनी मेंटल ट्रिक और समथिंग, शी टोल्ड मी यस्टरडे एंड तो अभी तक वो होता रहता है। जब वो एक कॉर्डर तो चलता ही रहेगा पूरी जिंदगी।
Start recording. Start writing notes. You said this yesterday. I'm not doing a mental trick. But actually that must be so hard as well, right, for you? Because
sometimes yes it is, but now मुझे लगता है कि ठीक है, it's part of profession ऐसा।
enjoying it.
हाँ ठीक है, but अब वो now it's a part of the joke। अब वो पूरे हमारे पूरे घर में वो जोक ही बन गया चीज़। अब now it's like a part of the joke। अब now nobody takes it seriously at the very beginning, yes, but अब ठीक है, अब क्या करें, अब that's a part of my life।
some people might see your craft and art as fooling. Does that ever affect you? Do you ever think that it is fooling people?
If Honestly, I don't think so. I never took it as a fooling. I think it's an art. See, मैं अगर honestly आपको बताऊँ, my hands are faster than your eyes.
My hands are faster than your eyes.
Yes. So if you think कि yes ये fooling है, तो I think you are fooled. You've been fooled ना. आप ही तो fool हुए हो. मतलब मेरे लिए तो वो एक आर्ट है.
Swiftness.
हाँ, मेरे लिए वो स्मूथनेस है, सब कुछ है, मैं कर रहा हूँ, एंड यू गेटिंग फूल्ड एंड यू थिंक कि मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ बहुत लोग मेरे को बोलते हैं कि यार तुम लोगों को पागल बनाता है संचित, मेक फूल आउट ऑफ अस. लाइक सो व्हाट, दैट इज व्हाट द रियल क्रेविंग इज. People wants to get fooled because this is something they don't see it every day.
Yeah, I think people crave that disbelief. People crave that wonder.
हाँ.
That's why it's
Correct.
amazing to us.
हाँ, वो उनका वो फैसिनेशन है. Every time you go somewhere, 6-7 लोग बैठे होंगे एंड कोई ना कोई बोलेगा आपको यार ये मैजिशियन है, कैन यू शो मी अ कार्ड ट्रिक. लगे पता क्या करता है, इसके ना हाथ की सफाई करता है यूज. ओके फाइन, व्हाई डोंट यू डू इट? मेक सेंस, व्हाई डोंट यू डू इट? इफ आई मेक अ फूल, व्हाई डोंट यू डू इट? यू वोंट एबल टू डू इट बिकॉज उसके पीछे कितनी प्रैक्टिस है, कितना हार्ड वर्क है. नोबडी विल एबल फिगर इट आउट.
I'm not a mentalist, I'm not a psychiatrist, I'm not a mind reader. But as far as my observation goes and my experiences has taught me, what I've understood about you today is you're a pure entertainer. Okay. And your life is based on entertaining everybody and creating that illusion that they're fascinated by. But what if the lights were taken away, the stage was stripped, and the tricks were taken away? What has mentalism taught you about yourself?
To be very calm in life. Mentalism is something which has changed my life entirely. जैसे कि मैं जैसे भी सोचता हूँ या जो भी एक्शंस करता हूँ, it has changed entirely. But the first thing I understand is to be calm. Don't rush. आपको कुछ भी जल्दी नहीं है. अगर even if you are driving and to reach somewhere, आप तेज गाड़ी चला लो या स्लो गाड़ी चला लो, 4-5 मिनट का ही फ़र्क पड़ेगा, ज़्यादा नहीं पड़ेगा. सो आई हैव टू बी, बिकॉज व्हेन आई स्टार्ट रीडिंग माइंड्स डू समथिंग, आई हैव टू बी वेरी पेशेंट. सो वो मुझे वो वही है कि आई हैव टू बी काम, वर्क वेरी कामली इन लाइफ, वॉक वेरी कामली, थिंक वेरी कामली. अगर मैं वो करता रहूँगा तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ गुड. इवन इफ इट सब कुछ चला जाता है, कोई बात नहीं, जब तक था तब तक बढ़िया था. बट नाउ आई थिंक दे हैव इट मेंटलिज्म हैज गिवन मी वेरी समथिंग वेरी गुड व्हिच आई कैन एक्चुअली, वो मेरी पूरी लाइफ मेरे साथ है.
It's become a part of you.
यस, इट बिकम काम.
Amazing.
फिर शादी भी होगी तो फिर वैसी हो ही गया वो.
Where do you think the future of mentalism is heading? Tell us about who inspired you, how you got into this stream, and do you think more and more people are more accepting of this today?
Yes, absolutely. So basically जब मैंने ये स्टार्ट किया था तब तो इतना नहीं था. मतलब तब मेरे को तो ये लगता था कि मैं अकेला ही हूँ जो ये करता हूँ. There is something very different about me और मैं अकेला हूँ. Then I meet different mentalist magicians from Delhi. So हमारी कम्युनिटी थी, हम लोग कनॉट प्लेस में जाते थे, वहाँ पे जाके बस कार्ड ट्रिक्स करके, मतलब दैट इज़ हाउ वी प्रैक्टिस. एक दूसरे को दिखाएं तो विल नॉट मेक सेंस, बिकॉज इफ़ यू शोइंग अ कार्ड ट्रिक, अगर आप एक मैजिशियन को दूसरे मैजिशियन को कार्ड ट्रिक दिखा रहे हो तो इट विल नॉट मेक सेंस. तो आपको रियल लोगों को जाके दिखाना पड़ेगा. तो हमने वही प्रैक्टिस करके वैसे ही किया. बट आज अगर मैं देखूँ तो इंटरनेट इज़ अ मेन कॉन्सेप्ट जिससे आपको काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन, इफ़ यू गो राइट कार्ड ट्रिक ट्यूटोरियल या कुछ भी लिखोगे आप कि आपने कुछ मैजिक देखा, उसका ट्यूटोरियल लिखा, तो वो यूट्यूब पे मिल जाएगा आपको. सो अब वो लोगों की जो अवेयरनेस है वो ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है, जो आज से 10 साल पहले नहीं थी. एंड इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ इंटरनेट. So clearly because of internet.
Also, I think there was a time when people thought कि ये सब circus वाली चीजें हैं, clownish है.
Correct.
I think today people do want to use it as a medium of entertainment.
Yes.
People want to learn it. I know kids. I have a nephew who is in his early 20s, and he also does some crazy card tricks which he's learned from the internet.
Correct.
And he just does it for us, as a family, for fun.
Yes.
And he's like, it gives him great pleasure because he's like, I keep learning just for himself. He doesn't perform anywhere. But I don't think 2 decades ago it was a profession. I don't think it was widely accepted as just today.
Yes, because internet. I'm still focusing on internet because आप देखते हो YouTube पे या Instagram पे रील्स आती है, उसमें वीडियोस आती है, मेंटलिस्ट और मैजिशियन इज परफॉर्मिंग एंड एंटरटेनिंग 200 पीपल 500. तो तब ऐसा नहीं था. तब तो मतलब अगर इफ आई हैव टू टॉक टू समवन, टू क्लाइंट, कि मैजिशियन आप आओगे, वो ये कर देना, वो कर देना. मैं कहता देयर इज आल्सो नेम एज मेंटलिज्म वे आई कैन रीड माइंड. है ये क्या? फिर उनको फिर फ़ोन पे पूरा समझाना पड़ता था कि आई विल रीड योर माइंड, आई विल गोइंग टू डू ATM पिन रिवलेशन, ये सब चीज़ें मैं करूँगा ये सब. तो कहता अच्छा ये सब कैसे होगा? तो मैं कहा कोई बात नहीं, आप देखना. तो फिर वो लोगों को अब जाके फिर भी थोड़ी अवेयरनेस है। अब डायरेक्टली कॉल आता है कि हमें मेंटलिस्ट हायर करना है, हमें मैजिशियन नहीं हायर करना, मेंटलिस्ट हायर करना, पर लोगों को पता नहीं है इट इज सेम। वो पेरेंट जिसने समझाया था वो पेरेंट है और वो चाइल्ड है, दोनों लाइक दैट। अब अवेयरनेस ज़्यादा बढ़ेगी, विच इज आई थिंक इट्स गुड।
Who was your inspiration? What made you get into it?
डेविड ब्रेन, द गाय, ओ हो द ओजी गाय। सो मैं जब मैं मैजिक करता भी नहीं था, जब मुझे मैजिक का एम भी नहीं पता था, तब मैं उनकी यूट्यूब पे या HBO पे आता था, HBO या CNC पे आता था। वो वही जैसे हम लोगों ने शुरू किया था, स्ट्रीट मैजिक करते थे। आई थिंक पीपल वर वाचिंग, दे नो इज द गाय इज क्रेजी। हम लोग द फर्स्ट थिंग आई एवर सॉ, उसने कॉइन लिया, ही टुक अ कॉइन, ही बाइट दैट कॉइन, उसको हाफ करके देन इट ऐसे उसने किया, एंड देन द कॉइन रिस्टोर्ड। लाइक
He bit the coin and he restored it.
yes,
But how can you bite a coin? It's metal.
correct. I'm still figuring out today. So ये एक ऐसा कुछ चीज़ें आप ऐसे देखते हो तो लगता है कि वाओ दिस इज अमेजिंग। अगर हम ह्यूमंस ऐसा सही में कर सकते हैं तो कैसा लगता।
Wow. So before we end this session, let's do one more trick. And honestly, for whoever's watching and listening, I really don't know what's going to happen. And I hope it's, something that you've never done before.
I've never done this before, yes.
And we really want everyone to know that I genuinely firstly doubt this. Hence, I want to see how it works out.
I'm nervous now. We've never done this before. Okay, let's try. So, मेरे पास यहाँ पे ना I have some black box which we will keep it over here. I'll tell you कि इसका क्या रोल है, but first it will be over here.
It's an empty box?
We'll figure out.
Okay.
We'll figure out. आशना, इमेजिन मैं अपना ब्रेक पर फ़ोन निकालता हूँ एंड आई वांट टू रिकॉर्ड दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन। इफ़ यू कैन, आप भी अपने फ़ोन में या मेरे फ़ोन में इन्फॉर्मेशन रिकॉर्ड करेंगे। रिकॉर्ड इन सेंस कि वी विल राइट सो दैट वी कैन कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ इट। आशना, इमेजिन कि अगर मैं आपको कोई एक इंडिया से बाहर कोई जगह आप जा रहे हो, तो वेयर डू यू वांट टू गो, मतलब कहाँ जाना चाहोगे आप? आज मान लो जा रहे हो, कहाँ जाना चाहोगे?
You have to write it?
Yeah, I'll write it.
Australia.
Australia, let us say. We will write Australia. ठीक है? Imagine आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया चले गए और किसी के साथ जाओगे for obvious reasons. That could be your friend, your husband, your son. Tell me one name.
Gautam.
Gautam. I imagine that's your son? No?
My husband.
Your husband, okay. Imagine आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया चले गए गौतम के साथ एंड आपने कुछ एक वहाँ पे, मतलब लेट्स से 7 days का ट्रिप है, उसमें आपने कुछ पैसे आपने वहाँ पे, मतलब यू रन आउट ऑफ मनी। कितना पैसा लगाया होगा आपके साथ? लेट्स से इमेजिन इन डॉलर्स।
I've run out of money.
आपने लगा दिया इतना था, मैं कितना लगा दिया बता दो।
I don't know, sir.
Maybe let's not run out of money. Let's say आपने वहाँ पे एक अमाउंट स्पेंड किया 7 दिन के, 6 nights 7 days, और ऐसे कितना अमाउंट स्पेंड किया? जस्ट टेल मी दैट।
$10,000?
$10,000, let's see. 10,000 डॉलर का साइन कहाँ गया? ओके, सो दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन यू हैव गिवन मी, राइट?
Yeah.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया, गौतम एंड 10,000। हाउ इन द वर्ल्ड की मुझे ये इन्फॉर्मेशन पहले से पता होती? मुझे जस्ट टेल मी दैट, हाउ इन द वर्ल्ड की मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन पता होती कि आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया गए हो गौतम के साथ और $10,000 आपने स्पेंड किया? नहीं पता हो सकती। इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली रैंडम इन्फॉर्मेशन। मैं दिखा दूँगा कि मैं वॉच इट, जस्ट शो टू द कैमरा एज वेल इफ यू वांट टू फोकस। ओके, सॉरी। So this is the information is given by Ashna that you have been to Australia.
I'm going to. Right now I've been, yeah.
Australia with
Gautam and spent $10,000.
So from the very beginning, I have put this information यहाँ पे एक, अगर मैं आपसे बोलूँ honestly कि अगर ये बॉक्स में information पहले से लिखी हुई तो मज़ा आ जाएगा।
हाँ, but possible ही नहीं है।
That is the point. Everything is possible if you know it is possible.
Okay.
So the point of me doing this is, अगर थोड़ा सा भी गलत होगा तो यार, मतलब I don't know we're going to work or not. Why don't you take it out? I want to check. Come. Can you come over here? Can you just इसको पकड़ो, इसको ऐसे करके पुल आउट करो। इसमें एक पेपर है. Can you just read what is it in over here?
Hi, in today's podcast, Ashna will be traveling to Australia with Gautam and the total cost of the trip would be $10,000. When did you write this?
Right now.
That's not possible. No, but really, when did you write this?
Right now.
Okay, that's crazy. That's really crazy. Because you put the box before.
Correct.
Absolutely amazing. I think we all should clap for him.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So I'll ask my last question, which I ask all my guests, and it's a very dear question to me. If you were to introduce yourself without mentioning your occupation, where you come from, your family background, your religion, your nationality, or your hobbies, all these superficial markers which define us in our day-to-day life, how would you describe yourself to me?
Okay. I call myself as an entertainer because since childhood I was very much fascinated by Joker. मैं आपको बताया था. So my mother used to ask me कि बेटा तू बड़ा हो क्या बनेगा? मैं कहा मम्मी मैं ना जोकर बनूंगा. मम्मी कहती पागल है. पंजाबी में मुझे बोलती है पागल है. क्या गल कर रहे हैं? ऐसे तो ना जोकर वोकर थोड़ा ना बनते हैं. मैं कहता हूँ कितना बढ़िया है वो. मैं थोड़ा सा और बड़ा हुआ. Then mom used to ask me कि अब क्या सोचना है अब क्या बनेगा? मैं कहा मम्मी मैं एक्टर बनूंगा. मम्मी कहती तूने शक्ल देखी है अपनी? ये पंजाबी मम्मी जैसे बोलती है. Then eventually मैं मैजिशियन बन गया. But इन तीनों चीज़ों में ना एक चीज़ कॉमन थी. That I always want to be an entertainer and that is what I am. So serve me.
Thank you so much, Sanchit, for being here today. It was an absolute pleasure having you. And I can't tell you, I'm literally entertained and fascinated to the core. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, my name is Sanchit Batra. I'm a mentalist and today I had a wonderful podcast where we have discussed about mentalism, magic and illusions और मुझे तो बहुत ही मजा आया and I hope जो आप लोग देखोगे आपको ही मजा आएगा and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Take care, bye bye.